How to transfer money from RBC to Bank of India. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn how to send money from RBC to India. In the first step, you need to wire transfer. This is the fastest option. Funds typically arrive within 24 hours. But it has higher fee. Expect fees from both RBC and the Indian bank receiving the funds. It is best for large amounts, suitable for urgent or significant transfer due to faster speed. The next option is international bank transfer. It has lower fees compared to wire transfer but slower processing time. Can take 2 to 5 business days for the funds to arrive. But it is good for medium-sized transfers, offers a balance between speed and cost. The next option is Interac e-transfer, but it is available for only specific Indian banks. It has limited availability, only works within certain partner banks in India. But it is faster and cheaper than wire transfer. Funds may arrive within minutes with lower fees. It is ideal for smaller transfers, convenient for sending quick payments to friends or family. The fourth option is money transfer services. Various options compare fee, exchange rates, and processing times of different providers. For this, you have to seek reputable providers, choose companies with transparent practices and good customer reviews. They can offer competitive rates and flexible options. Some services might offer additional features like currency conversion or scheduled transfers. That's how you can send money from RBC to India.